Okay, so we've completed this look, the bronze goddess, and she looks pretty bronze. I mean, you can tell from her hand to her face that we've really bronzed her up. So, do you like your look?
Yes.
Yeah, it looks good on you. Your eyes look really blue. This is a good look for anybody, really. If you have brown eyes, blue eyes, green eyes, it doesn't matter. It's a good look for any skin tone. It doesn't really matter. It's a pretty transitional look for anyone, any hair color even. So basically, you want to just make sure that you bring the stuff with you need for touch-ups. Everything is most likely going to stay if you use long-wearing makeup, except for your lips. And if you tend to get oily in your T-zone, you might want to bring a powder. Just bring like a little pressed powder with you with either a sponge or a travel brush, just so you can powder your nose and your forehead and your chin, just in case they get a little tiny bit oily. Because even though this is a dewy look, you don't want to look oily or sweaty. The eyes most likely will stay. The only thing is, since we did eyeliner inside the eye, you might have to reapply that every so often. So bring your eyeliner with you, and that's really easy. You can just throw that in your purse. And lastly, your lip gloss. That's the most important. You want to make sure you bring your lip glosses with you. Whichever lip glosses you mixed, if it's one, if it's two, and a little lip brush, or you can use your fingertips if you want. Just make sure your hands are clean. And you want to make sure that you reapply your lip gloss every so often, because that's going to come off pretty much. Now, your blush and your bronzer, it just depends on the person. Sometimes it stays. My blush and bronzer doesn't stay very well on me, so sometimes I like to bring it with me and bring a little travel brush. You can get little short travel brushes with cases and throw it in your purse, just to touch up your blush or your bronzer every so often. And that's about it. This look is pretty long-lasting, and it transitions well from day to evening also. So that's about it. We're pretty much done with this.